There's a lot going on here, yeah? It's quite a deep, intense drill, yeah? Okay, are you guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Kill! G. Matt, how you feeling? Alright today. I checked, see if the guy was alive. I felt real rage, but I just didn't realise I killed him and just didn't know. Do I run? Do I call the ambulance? I don't know. You hear the quiver in his voice? Yeah? That's the fear of consequence. Okay? Mo had it as well. These guys went deep in it. Right? The good thing is, he's okay. It's just exercise. Yeah? I want you to understand what it feels like in your body. Right? The adrenaline in your body is making you feel that way. The quiver in his voice and all the emotions as a result of that is exactly what we're trying to get out of this. Okay? If you smiled and laughed your way through this exercise, you probably took away nothing. Okay? But to really embody that is to understand that. Okay? The fear of consequence.